Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melissa. I do beauty videos, makeup tutorials, and like unboxings and stuff like that. If you're new, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and comment down below that you turn your notification bell for a shout out in another video. Alright, so today I'm going to be going on a whim. Who knows what it'll be titled this video, but I'm going to be using the Bad Habit Adina palette. These are the colors. Super pretty. I think I might go with like a purpley look today. I think that's what I'm gonna go for. So I'm gonna take, yeah, let's just go for it. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Justice. I'm gonna take it on a big blending brush, fluffy blending brush. And let's see. So go right here on my outer corner and above my crease, and I'm just gently placing the color in small circular motions. I love these palettes, they're so pretty. And like I said, it's by a company called Bad Habit. They're known for like their dupes and stuff like that. So I'm just going to make sure I blend it a lot. I'm going to take my time, not rush. Alright, I'll do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Alright, I zoomed it in so you guys can see a little bit better. So I just took the purpley colored Justice and now I'm going to go in with the color Epic. Let me show you guys. Come on, focus. This color right here called Epic. And I'm just going to take a smaller little brush. Let me show you guys. Come on, camera, focus. Come on. There we go. Small little shadow brush. And the number 8. And all these brushes are from BH Cosmetics. And this is more of a shimmery color, and I'm just going to take it right on the outer corner. And this time I'm going to blend it in my crease. This first time I blended it over my crease, a little bit above my crease. This time I'm blending it basically in my crease. I'm dragging it all the way over. It's a very pretty color. It's like pink or purple flecks. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that, what are they called? The people that cut the grass. Gardeners. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the gardeners. It's Thursday, so they do gardening every Thursday. And the only time I can film is right now because Adrian goes to work, so I don't have a choice but to film right now. So I'm just placing this color a little bit lower than the first color. It's just gonna make it really pretty, like, I don't know, shimmer, kind of like fairy dust. I'm just gonna pack it on a little bit more because I want it to be a little bit more intense. Super pretty, you guys. I'm just packing it on with that same brush and blending it. Oh, as you see, that's so pretty. And now I'm gonna take another brush. This is just a flat brush. And I'm gonna take the color Medusa, which is this pretty pink color. Come on, focus. It's starting to focus on my face right there. Medusa right here. I'm gonna take that color and place it on the lid. This is a really pretty shimmery pink. I think I should wet my brush so you get more of a kick out of this color. Here, wet my brush. I'm just going to use the Skin & Co. Roma Aqua Truffle Therapy. It's a radiant, it's just a mist, pretty much. You can use anything. I'm just going to spray that, and then I'm going to dip my brush again. And let's see if it's better. That's a lot better. I don't think this brush is gonna kick in. Let me get a different brush. There we go. Super pretty. Just do the exact same thing to the other eye. This is how it looks so far, you guys. Alright, now what do I want to do? I'm going to take the big soft brush I used the first time. Let's see if it'll focus. It wants to focus on my face, that's why. There we go. That brush I took the first time, I'm going to put a little bit more of the Justice color, basically the purple color. I'm just going to sweep it under my eyes. And bring it up. Just sweeping it and bringing it up. Alright, and for the inner corner, I'm just gonna take a little brush. I'm gonna go in with, what do I want to go in with? Then I'm gonna go in with Fierce, which is this color right here. Come on, focus. Right here. I'm gonna go a little bit with that in the inner corner. I'm sorry, they're so loud, you guys. There's literally nothing I can do about it. I'm just putting that in the inner corner, the top and bottom. Fix it at the bottom some. Okay, good enough. Let me brush my eyebrows up real quick. Let's do a little. My eyebrow spoolie. I have all my brushes right here. Here it is. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows. Let me zoom out. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm just using the Kat Von D eyeliner. I'm not really into this liner, but I'm just gonna use it because I don't want to open my BH Cosmetics one yet. So since this is a mini, might as well use it, you know. Oh, that looks horrible. Liz, what are you doing? Yes, I know you shouldn't stretch your eye when doing your eyeliner. It's just what I do. My eyes are gonna look crazy when I'm older, but whatever. YOLO. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a wing. These are not gonna be perfect. Oh, I just messed up. Oh, Lord. Come on. The makeup's gonna be looking cray cray. Let's see. I'm just gonna bring it in to my bottom lash. see. Okay. Whew, as good as it's gonna get. I know it look kind of crazy, but I'll fix it. The mascara. Almost done, guys. I need my mirror. All right. Oh, my back is hurting, guys. All right, let's put on some lippies real quick. Okay. I have so much stuff up here. It's driving me crazy. Let me see. Oh, there's my lippy. Yeah, I think you guys have seen me use this one. If not, it's the Jing Eye Pure Love lippy and raspberry ice. I'm just gonna use like a little bit. Literally just a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'll fix my hair. Okay guys, here's the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I know it's kind of all over the place, but that's how I am. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.